The 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the UN Convention on Biological Diversity is underway in southwest China's Kunming. Experts of many countries have hailed Chinese wisdom in environmental governance in various aspects, such as efforts in protecting and utilizing biodiversity, promoting strategy for ecological red lines, and managing carbon emissions.
I think the difference between China and West is China has experience and the wisdom of 5,000 years. So China is not talking about the harmony. China is taking the step.
ผมก็คิดว่าเป็นสิ่งที่ดีที่จีนเป็นผู้นำในหลายๆเรื่องเกี่ยวกับการอนุรักษ์แล้วก็การใช้ประโยชน์ของความหลากหลายทางชีวภาพแล้วก็พยายามที่จะสร้างความสมดุลในแง่ของการพัฒนาเศรษฐกิจแล้วก็ในแง่ของการใช้ประโยชน์จากความหลากหลายทางชีวภาพนะครับ
China's 14th five-year plan, it outlines quite a comprehensive strategy for nature protection. And the ecological red lines that establishes spatial planning and protection and restoration has been a critical element in China's own nature conservation and ecosystem management strategy.
I think there's probably a lot that many other countries can learn from China's efforts to manage both increasing the living standard of millions of people and also preserving biodiversity in the way they've done. I understand that China is also making a big effort to manage its carbon emissions, and that's also a huge, I think, a really tremendous global effort, and many countries could benefit from seeing China's example in that respect as well.
When China is a hosting country for the COP15, it's a critical role for China to play to show the leadership, to strive for ambition so that we will have a nature positive, carbon neutral, and equitable, healthy future for all life on Earth. So for that end, I think this is a critical time and the role China can play for the global governance and for the multilateralism.